Hello guys, we are in Atlas, Singapore, and we will do a mukbang. And with?
Out of a 5.
What?
Out of a 5.
Out of a 5, let's rate everything.
Yeah. The shrimp is
Hi.
a 4.
Hi, mommy. First,
The shrimp, yeah.
the shrimp.
Sauce.
Yum.
It was so savory. 5 out of 5.
This is a tiny crepetta. It's already really good.
Ang bonding moment ni na Sunshine Cruz at ng kanyang anak na si Angelina Cruz habang sila ay nagbabakasyon sa Singapore. Sa isang video na ibinahagi online, makikita si Angelina na nagre-review or nagre-rate ng pagkain na kanilang tinikman sa isang restaurant habang nag-a-avail ng afternoon tea package. Game na game si Angelina sa pagbigay ng kanyang honest reaction sa bawat pagkain na kanyang natitikman. Makikita rin sa video ang relaxed at masayang vibe ng kanilang bonding na tila ba simpleng moment lamang ngunit puno ng saya at closeness bilang mag-ina. Habang tinatikman ang iba't ibang pastries at tea selections, nagbibigay si Angelina ng kanyang sariling rating na ikinatuwa naman ng netizens. Marami ang natuwa sa pagiging natural at genuine ni Angelina sa video. Para sa iba, nakakatuwang panoorin ang ganitong klaseng content dahil nagpapakita ito ng real-life moments ng mga celebrities sa labas ng kanilang showbiz life.
Hello guys, we are in Atlas, Singapore, and we will do a mukbang. And with?
Out of a 5.
What?
Out of a 5.
Out of a 5, let's rate everything.
Yeah. The shrimp is
Hi.
a 4.
Hi, mommy. First,
The shrimp, yeah.
the shrimp.
Sauce.
Yum.
It was so savory. 5 out of 5.
This is a tiny crepetta. It's already really good. 3.5 out of 5. Now I'll try it with a sauce.
Sausage. Caviar.
4.5 out of 5 with
Yeah.
a sauce. Really good. Caviar something.
Caviar or something.
So it doesn't have that much flavor compared to the first two. I give it a good 3.5, I guess.
It's just one.
In case you're wondering, we are in Atlas Bar here in Singapore for afternoon tea. And we got the afternoon tea package, so everything comes pre-ordered. Lobster on crystal bread, 4 over 5. It's good. It's very refreshing. They finished theirs.
We're excited for the sweet treats.
I'm gonna savor mine. Sausage roll. 3.5 out of 5. It's okay. Me and Sam will have the coronation egg brioche.
I'm scared.
It's like a fancy egg salad inside a pandesal. It's okay lang, but it's good.
Start with over here and let's make our way to the back. Here's bonbon.
This is basically what the Queen and Bridgerton would eat a lot in the latest season. It's good. It grows on you.
Maganda siguro ako dyan.
Bukod sa pagiging isang simpleng food review, nagsilbi rin itong inspirasyon sa mga viewers na maglaan ng oras sa kanilang pamilya at mag-enjoy sa mga simpleng bagay tulad ng travel at pagkain. Si Sunshine naman bilang isang hands-on mom ay makikitang ini-enjoy ang bawat sandali kasama ang kanyang anak. Hindi maikakaila ang kanilang strong bond na kitang-kita sa kanilang interaction sa video. Sa huli, ang kanilang Singapore trip ay hindi lamang isang bakasyon kundi isang pagkakataon upang mas mapalalim pa ang kanilang samahan bilang mag-ina.